Hello, my name is Jongan Messi. I am doing interactive chart for CAT Grade 10 learners. My chosen topic is identifying hardware. I will firstly explain to the learners that a basic computer needs a monitor, keyboard, mouse, system unit. The other devices are optional, such as a printer, a speaker, or a scanner. This is the interactive chart that I will discuss with the learners. Here we have a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, a printer, connectors, and ports. The first item of the topic are the ports and connectors. I will ask the learners to identify the connector and the ports in this chart. Here are the ports and here are the connectors. The connectors is the plug that is found at the end of a cable. They connect to a specific port on the computer. A port is what input devices use to connect to the computer. There are different kinds of ports which serve different purposes. There is a network port, a USB port, PS2 serial port, HDMI port, and so on. I will ask the learners to identify the different ports on the chart. A network port first, they will have to point to this port. USB port here. But these are all USB ports, just the different kinds. This is a USB mini port, Type-C, USB micro. And the PS2 port is this one. This port connects the mouse and the keyboard to the computer. The mouse port is green, the keyboard port is purple at the back of the system unit. Then I will proceed to discuss input devices and output devices. Input is data or instruction that is given to the computer to process. It can be in the form of text, sound, or graphic. And output is processed data or instruction that is produced by the computer. It can be in the form of hard copy or soft copy. A hard copy is a printed paper. Soft copy is in the electronic format, which is a picture displayed or text displayed by the monitor. Then I will discuss the input devices. A keyboard on a desktop computer are usually found separate, but on laptops and smartphones, they are the integral part of the device. The mouse uses a laser to transfer information about its movement to point on the computer monitor. Then I'll proceed to the output devices. I will ask the learners to identify the output devices on the chart. First, they will point at the monitor, which is used to display information to the user. Then a printer, which is used to print out information on a piece of paper for the user. I will ask the learners to identify the input devices first, which they will take a sticker and place on the input device they see on the chart. Here, the keyboard. Here, the mouse. This is the final version of the interactive chart after filling in all the information.